Yeah, so I'm changing the R2 button on the PS4 controller. Right here, see, I damaged it right here. I already took the screw off. 4 screws right here. I use this. Got the tool from the iPad kit when I replaced the iPad. I haven't posted that up yet because I didn't even did a video. So, but yeah, 4 screws right here, and slowly pop it open. That's what I use my nail. You could use whatever, just slowly, gently, you know. You gotta be real careful, you don't wanna break the rest of the freaking button. Alright, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, cracked it. You heard it. Oh. See how it came out like that? See how it came out? Some people take this off. I'm just gonna leave it on. Do the extra hassle. You can see where's it broken at. Right there, see? Oh man, look at that. Okay. Here's the new one I got. And here's the little pin that came with here you can see the little pin right there. Boom. Yep. So I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna slowly take this off. Let me see how it looks real quick before I do all that extra shit. Okay, the pin is right there. Okay, I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna do this. See, it's the broken piece right there. Look at that. And it's jammed right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reuse that spring. And just try to pop this out instead of. See, pop that right out. But I know I'm just gonna slide it right back in and pop it back in. Oh, I guess not. Grab the pin. Put it in here. Just pop it back in. See? Just pop it back in right here. Boom. Back to normal. Let me show you how to put it back in. See? Just gotta wiggle it. Wiggle, wiggle. Oh shit, hold on. Go do the back, I forgot. You can push this in like that. And start wiggling. Make sure the front go in here first. See how it's snugged right in. Make sure. Boom. Boom. Pull it back out. The R1's not looking right. Don't tell me I damaged the R1. something's blocking on. I'm trying to take it off. Double check what the hell went wrong. I thought everything I had perfect. It was going smooth. What's going on, Mr. R1? Never had this problem right there. Let me take this out. Double check the R1. So, yeah, we have a problem with the R1 also. Oh, came out of place. Okay, it came out of place. Hopefully that's just a minor issue right here. Just gotta pop it back in here. I hope it looks like it's broken from my point of view. Oh, there you go. Bada bing, bada boom. It just had a, it looked like a little shock absorber. Alright. Oh yeah. Ass first. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Make sure everything's set. I don't want to slap anything else. There we go. This one in. There it goes. Boom, boom. Button work. That's what I'm. Yep. Everything works. Okay. Now for the force. See, this is the broken piece right here. Let me show you the broken. There, snap right off the R2. I got fat fingers, so don't mind me. Be a little hassle. Oh man, jeez. My dirty ass nails. I know. There you go. There you have it. My R2 worked just fine. Brand new. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, follow, comment. I'll be posting more other videos. Thank you.